Okay, today we're going to do a tour of this fixer-upper, and this is actually not even a bank foreclosure. This is a property that's just owned by a typical seller, but you're going to see this house needs a ton of work. I mean, it needs a lot of work, but the location is 10 out of 10. I mean, the only reason to even look at this property for potential flip or fix or rental or whatever, or to move in, is the location. A couple blocks off scenic highway, just a great, I would say, East Pensacola location. It's very close to Creighton Road. So a couple things about this house. You can see manhole cover, so it is on sewer. There's no septic. Unfortunately, it does have a pool, but you're going to see the pool is completely trashed. I mean, completely trashed. So the house is 2322 living square feet. It was built in 74. It's 4-bedroom. Brick veneer. It's got a gable roof. So there's not as much roof since it's gable and not a hip roof, but it's 3-tab and the roof's trashed, so the roof's got to be replaced. It also has the original windows, which all need to be replaced. Sorry, the power's not on, so I got a flashlight. We'll do the best we can. But I really like these floors here in this living room area here. So you've got a living room, you've got a formal dining room area on this side of the house. Here's the kitchen. And unfortunately, this kitchen's got to be gutted and the whole thing needs to be redesigned. Not a whole lot of space in here. I'm not sure what you can do with it because it does have a fireplace on the other side. I'll show you that real quick. So here's another room. Now this floor right here is in really good shape. So this probably could be saved and salvaged. But you've got this fireplace, little built in there. So this house doesn't really have a split floor plan either. All your bedrooms are on the other side of the house. It's got a 1-car garage, so not a lot of space. I'm pretty sure it's all electric. There's no gas. I don't think. I'll verify that, but it's on circuit breakers. There shouldn't be any aluminum wiring. I don't know for a fact, but there shouldn't be. Okay, never mind. There is gas. You got a gas hot water heater. December 09. Oh, just missed 15 years. So that's another thing that's going to have to be replaced for insurance purposes. If you watch any of my videos, you know I talk about that a lot. If the hot water tank is over 15 years of age, it's going to be pointed on the 4-point inspection for insurance. So you can see that a lot of work needs to be done in this room. Could be a nice space. They've got newer doors. And then here's your pool. Like I said, you can tell this thing's set up for a long time because those trees are pretty big, pretty good sized trees here in the pool. Yeah, I don't even think that's even, I don't know. Really have to get some quotes and see what people would say, but all the walls are caved in. I mean, that thing is, it's probably shot. Probably just needs to be filled in. You can see some roof damage right there. So it's going to need, besides windows, roof, it's going to need a new HVAC AC unit. That one's as old as I am. Okay, so this walks into the master bedroom. Interesting design here. I don't know why they did that, but they built this built-in right here in the damn wall. We are close to the Pensacola Airport, so if you know where that is, you can hear the planes going over pretty close. So here's the master bathroom. I don't really know what they were thinking when they built this and designed this, but I mean, this is screwed up. Not even sure where you begin with this one. I mean, the tile doesn't look to be in bad shape, but I think it might be better just to gut this thing and redesign it and make it all modern. Good sized walk-in closet though. But wallpaper, oh, ugly wallpaper. Okay, so that's the master. Then you've got your other 3 bedrooms here. This one doesn't have any flooring. It's gonna need wall paint and all that kind of good stuff. Now this floor is actually in pretty nice shape, so this actually could be used. I hate those original windows. And I see so many investors skip that and not replace them, and it really sucks for new homeowners. They're not energy efficient, they're single pane crap. This floor is in good shape. So 2 of the bedrooms don't really need anything but just, you know, a little updating a little bit, new outlet covers and switches and plugs, that kind of stuff. Okay, so one more time, I'm gonna walk around it. All right. Formal living room, formal dining room. Kitchen, no appliances, really, none of those are gonna work. So one thing that's cool is you do have a gas hookup right here for a gas stove, which is awesome. These windows got to be replaced. The slider's got to be replaced. This floor's in pretty good shape. I do like the fireplace though. I mean, that could be a really nice touch. Okay, I forgot to show the guest bath. Bath number 2. There's only 2 bathrooms here. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I mean, the tile's not in bad shape, so that could maybe be saved if somebody didn't want to spend the money. But besides that, this thing needs to be all modernized. This house is so dated. I mean, it's original. 1974, I think most of it is original. I mean, this house would sell if it was all fixed up. I mean, this area is just, like I said, the area is a 10 out of 10. Yeah, there's your inside unit. So that's got to be replaced. So there's going to be some good costs on this one though, but the question is, can it be bought right? And that's the part I don't know yet. Now currently this house is listed for $210,000 as is. But like I said, it's 2322 living square feet. On sewer, the lot is about right under a quarter of an acre. I think it's like 0.24. But another thing about this house that I don't really understand what's going on is this house is not listed in my local MLS, in the Pensacola MLS in Northwest Florida. It's not. It's not even listed on Zillow. It's actually listed on Realtor.com, and it's listed out of the Miami MLS, which makes no damn sense to me. But that's it. $210,000 as is. and you've seen more or less all the work that it's going to need, which is quite a bit. Okay, well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or anything, please leave them below. I'll be glad to answer. As always, thanks. Have a great day.